The number of oxygen molecules present in 32 grams of oxygen are. Here also we need to tell the number of oxygen. Oxygen molecule means we are talking about O2. O2 molecules present in 32 grams of oxygen. At first we will write all the things that are given to us. Here the given mass of oxygen. What is the given mass of oxygen? 32 grams. Given mass means the mass in which we have to find the particular number of moles or the number of molecules. Okay. So the given mass of oxygen is 32 grams, which is given to us. We need to calculate the number of oxygen molecules present. At first, we will find the number of moles of oxygen molecules present in 32 grams of oxygen. So what is the formula for calculating number of moles? Number of moles of oxygen molecules present. It will be equals to given mass upon molar mass. What is the given mass of oxygen? 32 divided with molar mass of oxygen. Given mass of oxygen plus molar mass of oxygen. What is the molar mass of oxygen? Molar mass of oxygen, that is O2. It is 2 times atomic mass of oxygen. Now what is the atomic mass of oxygen? 16 grams per mole. So the molar mass of oxygen will be 32 grams per mole. Now we will fill the value of molar mass of oxygen, that is 32. Given mass is also 32. The molar mass that we have calculated, it is also 32. So how many moles of oxygen are present in the oxygen molecule? That is only 1 mole. And you have to remember that 1 mole of any substance, 1 mole of any substance contains 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 molecules, atoms or ions. Since here we are talking about molecules, so the number of oxygen molecules present in 32 grams of oxygen are 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 molecules.